How you doing, guys? Mike here from Online Hustles channel, and this channel is all about making money online, entrepreneurship and investing. Firstly, I want to thank you all for great feedback under my first video. We've managed to already get 1000 plus views after a week, and it's really amazing because it took me a lot of time to prepare this video, and you guys give me motivation to upload more similar content like that. If you're new to my channel, then I'm glad you're here, and I'll try to give you today as much value as possible. Today I want to talk about my experience with Builderall so far, talk more about my journey with affiliate marketing in general, and I'm going to give you some value in the free method of getting leads to Builderall, so listen carefully because there's going to be some real cool stuff going on in this video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this topic. Okay, so maybe we'll just start from the beginning, why I started using Builderall, their affiliate program as well, when that was, and things of that nature. So I've been using Builderall affiliate program for 1 year and Builderall as a software for about 14 months. Okay, so I've started in August 2020 and I was basically looking for a software where I can build my funnels for different affiliate products I was promoting. So back then I was mainly promoting ClickBank products, some CJ affiliate products, and even some softwares with recurring commissions from Digistore. So my first product I was promoting was this bodybuilding Mark Bell's product. Okay, he's a big guy in the fitness industry and I really like his content. So as I've had a bodybuilding niche page on Instagram, I thought why not starting with this product so I can promote it for free, putting a link to it in my bio on Instagram. I thought it would be good to diversify, so I found a pretty hot product that a lot of people were selling, and it was this one. Okay, custom keto diet. It's looking like that. Okay, so we got it. I actually found this one because I couldn't find the Mark Bell's product anymore. So yeah, I just thought it would be good to diversify, and a lot of people were selling this keto diet products, so I just hopped on this one as well. I even started promoting some numerology reading product that I couldn't find anymore preparing this video. So I've got like 3 to 5 different products I've started promoting in different ways to test out what works. And I was using different traffic sources like Facebook ads, as I was and still am into dropshipping, so I know how to build campaigns and things like that. Got into Google Ads as well and some organic traffic sources. And after 3 months of hard work dedicated to affiliate marketing, I've spent roughly $500 on paid traffic and made like 3 sales back, so you know, it wasn't that profitable side hustle after all. 2 off of this keto diet product and 1 from Mark Bell's bodybuilding product. So I guess I haven't been profitable like this affiliate marketing gurus said I would. You know, just use my technique and you'll make millions, when only those gurus that do courses make those millions. I guess talking BS like that. So talking about gurus and mentors, I've actually met one through Instagram, and guess what? He scammed me off of like $600 when that was almost all I've had. So I kinda lost this enthusiasm, but I still wanted to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, because if other people can do, so do I. And I've always had this determination and perseverance in me and mindset to not giving up ever until something will eventually work out and pay off. So like I said, I kinda lost this motivation, but I didn't need motivation to keep going. I've took a step back, and this time I was looking for products with recurring commissions, and I've actually found a video titled "The Best Affiliate Program in the Game." Can't find the video anymore to actually show it to you, but this guy was actually talking about Builderall, the software I was using to do funnels and articles for other products. So even though I was using Builderall for like 2 months, I didn't know back then about their affiliate program. So you know, I just did some research about it, and I found out they have this really cool 2-tier sales system, which is created in a way when your lead that you make 30% recurring commissions on a monthly basis off of, and 100% for the first month is getting his or her leads, then you're making 30% recurring commissions as well. So how much money you can make with these commissions? It depends on the plan somebody chooses. So if your lead is using Builderall for the first month, it's from $69 up to $199 and $20 up to $40 in recurring months. When do you make them? Once somebody pays Builderall to subscribe to one of their plans, you make commissions. So as you can see, you can passively make money on a monthly basis once you bring somebody to the software and your lead is going to renew subscriptions every month. That's why it's so important to get the right leads that need Builderall for their online businesses or to make money with it, basically, as they are affiliates as well. So I didn't know that back when I was starting out, so I was doing the same things as with the products I was promoting previously. I was like spamming on Facebook groups, drawing money into Facebook and Google ads, and basically I was not only not profitable, but I actually lost more money than I've made. So I've made like one sale in my first month, so I just knew there need to be some way to promote it effectively. So I was into affiliate program and just wanted to start seeing this all recurring commissions, so I obviously did more research and I came across one method from this guy, Pengyun, I don't know how to actually pronounce his name, but he actually did this video and he was using a sales process building method to get leads registering to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is pretty similar to Builderall, just more expensive and got less tools, by the way. So I just knew that people can be eager to try Builderall even more. So as both are similar, I knew that I can take this method and implement in my case. So that's basically what I did. So I've managed to get 15 sales in the next 3 months, made about $2,000, and finally started making recurring commissions building those sales processes. Basically the nice looking funnels powered with SEO and automated email marketing, so owners of personal brands like fitness coaches or crypto coaches can collect leads in easier ways and get clients, targeting potential clients with email marketing. Okay, I know this sounds difficult, but it actually isn't. You have all of these tools inside of Builderall, and I'm going to make videos in the near future how you can set up a whole sales process system within like 30 minutes. Okay, so I did this video not only to make it about my journey that can motivate you to take action, but as well to give you some value with a strategy that you can start implementing for yourself right away and achieve the same results I did, or maybe even better. So if you'd like to get the templates and strategy included that you can use to get your first leads on Builderall, there is going to be a free Google Doc sheet included in the description once we take this video to 50 likes. Alright, so if you want to have the templates right now, you can hit me a DM on Instagram. You'll find the link in the description, and I'll give you some free game, as well as I can get you like my free mentorship, where I'm going to teach you about all of my methods step by step, so we can achieve great results with Builderall. If you're ready to take action and start your money making journey with Builderall, you have a link to join 14-day free trial in the description. I have many different bonuses for my affiliates included, like different strategies, ready to go funnels, and I'm going to send you a free course in the future that will help you take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If you'd like to learn about other strategies that got me to results I'm generating today, you can check out my previous video where I'm talking about strategies to get affiliates registering to Builderall, so you can double your income and earn secondary commissions. Alright, so that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe button to not miss on new videos, because I'm going to drop real value bombs. You can give me a like if you've got some value off of this video, or a dislike if I've just wasted your time. Alright, so see you around and let's get this money.